Hello guys, my name is Akash. In this video I would like to tell about HTML headings. Before you are seeing this video, you want to see the HTML introduction. The link is in description. Go and see. Let's start the topic now. HTML headings. A HTML heading can be defined as a title or a subtitle which you want to display on web page. Let's see the for example, this is the heading and this is the subheading. Okay, there are 6 different HTML headings which are defined with the H1 to H6. Let's see those elements: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, next, H1 defines the most important heading. Let's see this. Let's write the syntax of basic syntax of the HTML. Let me keep here. Okay, HTML head, close tag head, title, close tag title. Let's write the body, open tag, body, close tag. Okay, this is the basic syntax of the HTML. Now H1 defines the most important tag. For example, H1 close tag H1. Okay, let's see here. Welcome user. Okay, let's see this. Example 1.html. Okay, let's go ahead. See, welcome.user, it's a bold character, so this is as a heading. Next, H6 defines the least important heading. Let's see this. H6. Welcome user. Okay, save, Chrome. See, this is the difference between this is H1 tag, this is the H6 tag. This is the difference between H1 and H6 tags. Next, these are the remaining tags. Let's see this. Okay, I will write the break tags for the space. Break tag H2, close tag H2. Welcome user. Okay, H3. Welcome user, close tag H3. Next, H4. Welcome welcome user, use tag h4 h5, welcome user, use tag h5. Let's write break tag to these things. Break tag, break tag, break tag, break tag. Okay, let me save this. Save, opening Chrome, reloading. See, this is the h1 tag, h2 tag, h3 tag, h4 tag, h5 tag, h6 tag. Okay, these are the tags. I'll please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe Smart Akash. Thank you. Please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.